The day of the accident, I was in the right lane. When the light changed, the driver to my left decided to make a right turn and crashed into the side of my car. Once the impact took place, the Nexar dash cam automatically saved a clip. There was irrefutable proof that I was not at fault. My name is Walter Hurdle. I live in Crown Heights, Brooklyn, New York, and I'm an Uber driver and Lyft driver. Because I had the Nexar dash cam, I was able to prove that the other vehicle was 100% at fault, and I was able to get full reimbursement from the insurance company for my repairs. I would recommend any Uber or Lyft driver to get a Nexar dash cam. It makes me feel safer and secure in my vehicle, as there are times when passengers are having a bad day, they're disgruntled. The Nexar dash cam has the ability to record inside and outside the vehicle. One of the beauties is that if there's an incident, it automatically saves the footage to the phone and to the cloud without you manually having to save the footage. The Nexar dash cam is definitely a means by which we can protect ourselves, because a picture says 1,000 words, a video actually says 1,000,000.
We're going to be talking about Lyft extending the EV bonus with a catch.
It's from Lelius. So I did not read the whole thing. It's my fault, like, because he goes,
right?
He tweeted it, but then I got emails from Chicago drivers, Atlanta drivers. They're freaking out. They have Teslas. They go, did Lyft stop the EV bonus?
Chad has already been talking about it too.
Yeah.
So
it looks like from this one, Lelius, who's a good friend of the show and who was part of the MPU project. He's quite active on Twitter. I don't know if he's here today or not, but so he tweeted it and he, put a box on it, pink box, because it depends on Lyft. So it says $100 bonus for 50 rides every week from December 30th until February 24th. Well, today is the 25th. Then I got emails from Chicago and Atlanta drivers. He goes, what happened to my EV bonus? I go, I don't know. Did they stop it? And then the California drivers are getting this now. And then I figured it out. The California EV Ride Challenge is being offered at the discretion of Lyft. And Lyft has the right to terminate the challenge in whole or part, or to change any aspect of the challenge. So now it seems like it's a week-to-week situation. And if you get it, you get it. If you don't get it, you're not going to get it. So there's always a catch with these companies. So it's not a guarantee that you're going to get it every week, but you may get it.
How many times have we said, though, make sure you pay attention to these things because they're probably going to go away. Yep. This one is likely to do the same, which guess what? It did, or is about to, or is on the teetering point of going away. So the simple reality is, hopefully you didn't buy an EV just to try to get extra money out of the EV bonus or anything like that, because they completely changed it. It used to be $1 extra per ride over on Uber with, I don't think there was a maximum, or it was $4,000 that was a maximum, or the 4,000 came in after. I don't remember, because it was like so quick when they did that. So I don't remember if like the first initial was just $1 a ride no matter what, and then it had the max cap of 4,000. That was the first threshold. Then it changed to give 100 rides for $210 bonus. Or no, then it went to quarter.
Yeah.
Sorry, forgot the quarter part. So you could only get 1,000 rides for $1,000 per quarter. So if you gave more than that, too bad, so sad. And then it went to the $200 or the $210 for 100 rides. Lyft was kind of in a different way from that. But yeah,
now on Uber is 200 trips. On Uber now is 200 rides in 30 days for $210. The latest change that happened. And when it was $1, as you know, we caught them shaving. You know what I mean? And we got
they did the dollar before. I mean, the dollar started before upfront fares. Upfront fares started slightly after. But yeah, we caught that. So 80 cents on the dollar was actually going to you instead of more. So at least they got their money back for that. But yeah, I mean, when it comes to these bonuses and stuff, to try to incentivize you to do certain things, like getting a car that may cost 20% more than an ICE counterpart, you know, that's something you really got to consider and really take advantage of when the bonus is available. But how quick is that bonus going to go away? You don't know, especially if it's something that just you just decided, yeah, I'm going to go get an EV now, and then poof, that goes away.
Well, you have no control in this business. Once drivers figure that out, they can adjust their costs to the lowest possible denominator without getting kicked off the platform. Look, man, the way the pay is these days, hopefully with this more balanced markets, you guys will start seeing surge and whatever, not again. But the way the pay is, you got to drive the proper car. I mean, don't go buy a new car to do a rideshare. It's the most idiotic thing I've ever heard, ever. So, I mean, you're going to eat so much on that depreciation the first couple of years after you put 100,000 miles on that car. What's the point? Just go buy a used car, beat the crap out of it, mostly depreciated, and then go get another one. It's like changing socks. So, because these companies can do whatever they want. You know how many times we talked about people not being able to do comfort now? How many times we've talked about people not being able to do black? They changed the lists. They changed this. They changed that. You're at their mercy. So you just drive the car that belongs on a, you know, that it has 4 wheels and a decent car until the doors fall off, and then you go get another one of those, because that's where the game is at.
Nice hybrid, a nice like Toyota Camry hybrid, Toyota Prius hybrid, any of those cars, they're going to get you a fantastic. They're cheaper. They're going to give you some good gas mileage. Maintenance isn't too bad on them. So
yeah, no, I
those
agree.
cars were always great, you know, to start with. You know, when Uber was really becoming popular and expanding throughout just the country 10 years ago. And, you know, there's still great cars even into today. So, and they never got the incentivization as, you know, EVs pushed did. All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.